Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says it was the Prophet's daily routine that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would stay with Hazrat Zainab, the daughter of Jash, and drink honey. So I and Hazrat Hafsa planned that any one of us whom he sallallahu alaihi wasallam might visit should say, "Have you eaten maghafir, an ill-smelling gum, as I perceive the smell of maghafir from you?" So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited one of us, and she said the same. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "No, I have drunk just honey from Zainab, the daughter of Jash. Now I will never take it henceforth." Thereupon this verse was revealed: "O the communicator of the unseen Prophet, why do you forbid for yourself what Allah has made lawful for you, seeking the pleasure of your wives? So if you two wives of the Prophet turn towards Allah, for your hearts are necessarily deviated from the path." Hazrat Aisha and Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam told secret matter to one of his wives, "I have taken honey." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5267.